Can I install floor tiles without using grout lines?
In this video, we will discuss whether it's possible to install floor tiles without using grout lines and the implications of such a decision. We'll also explore alternative methods and materials for a seamless look.
Why are grout lines necessary?
Grout lines serve several essential functions in a tiled floor installation. They provide space for expansion and contraction due to temperature and humidity changes. They prevent moisture and dirt from seeping between tiles. They contribute to the overall appearance of the tiled surface.
Can I install floor tiles without grout lines?
Technically, it is possible to install floor tiles without grout lines. However, it is not recommended for several reasons. 1. Potential for cracking. Without grout lines, there is no space for the tiles to expand and contract, which can lead to cracking and damage. 2. Water damage. The lack of grout lines will make it easier for water and dirt to penetrate between the tiles, potentially damaging the substrate. 3. Uneven appearance. Tiles are not perfectly uniform in size and shape, so installing them without grout lines can lead to an uneven and unprofessional appearance.
What are some alternatives to achieve a seamless look?
If you prefer the look of a seamless tiled surface, consider the following alternatives. 1. Use rectified tiles. Rectified tiles are cut to precise dimensions, allowing for very narrow grout lines. This can create a near seamless appearance. 2. Select a grout color that matches the tiles. Choosing a grout color that closely matches the tile color can help minimize the appearance of grout lines. 3. Consider epoxy grout. Epoxy grout is more durable and stain-resistant than cement-based grout, and it can be applied in thinner lines for a more seamless look. While it is possible to install floor tiles without grout lines, it is not recommended due to the potential for damage and an uneven appearance. Instead, consider using rectified tiles, matching grout colors, or using epoxy grout to achieve a seamless look while still maintaining the benefits of grout lines.